Hey y'all, it's Meso here. Come on into my kitchen today. I have something great that we're gonna do today. It's gonna be easy. Well, you know I love easy. And so this recipe fits the bill. It is quick, it is easy, it is simple and delicious. And so, you know, that's how we like all of our cooking to be. So we're gonna step into the kitchen, we're gonna look at our ingredients, and we're gonna see what we need to make this happen. And we're gonna get started. So let's go ahead and start now. Skillet apple pie bubble up. Not many ingredients here, but this is gonna knock you out when it hits your taste buds. Okay, so I got here some butter, melted butter, and I got my brush. I am just gonna really give this little casserole dish a good buttering, honey. I'm gonna put a lot of butter in here and make sure that every corner, every end of it, everywhere has got butter on it. Now I have here some brown sugar, and I am putting some nutmeg in. I'm also putting in some cinnamon, honey. This is some fresh cinnamon. How do I know? Because I just opened this bottle right off the shelf. And I am putting some vanilla flavoring in here. This is Watkins lemon, not lemon flavoring, but vanilla flavoring. This is Watkins. You can use any flavoring that you have. And just a good old pinch of salt. I'm using kosher salt here because we need something to balance all of this sugar, the sweetness. I have here a 5 biscuit can of Grand's biscuits. And this is gonna be so simple, guys. Y'all are not gonna believe it. You're gonna always have a quick dessert ready when somebody stops in. Okay, so I'm gonna take these biscuits, and I have melted butter, and I'm going to dip these biscuits into the melted butter. That's 4 of them, and I just half the last one, the 5th one, and I'm getting it in, and I've just pressed all of them down to kind of get them to come together. No biggie though, honey, just take it easy and take your time. Now I'm getting this brown sugar and spice mixture right down over these buttered biscuits. All right, so we're gonna just put the last of that in. Now, you ain't gonna believe how easy this is and how good it's gonna be to have been so easy. Just kind of spreading out my brown sugar over my biscuits, and I got a can here of apple pie filling. This is just regular Walmart, no fancy kind, real inexpensive and very, very good. So I am getting these apples out over my brown sugar. Now the apples are good already, but we're gonna do a little bit to make them better. And I'm gonna just spread them out over the brown sugar, honey, just from end to end of the pan. Okay, now we're gonna come back and we're gonna sprinkle this with a little bit more cinnamon onto the apples. Not a whole lot, and we're gonna mimic those same flavors by giving another little hit of nutmeg. Okay, and this next thing that we're going to do is take our melted butter, the remaining melted butter, and just pour it all over the apples. Now don't worry, I'll be giving you the measurements and how much in the recipe in the description box. Put about a tablespoon of sugar on top of this, or not, you can leave it off. Here I have a some powdered sugar, and I have put a little bit of this. What I have is not whipping cream, but half and half. You can use milk, canned milk, you can use whatever you have with this, but I'm using half and half. This is some lemon emulsion. You can use lemon flavoring if you don't have this lemon emulsion, but it is so nice. Look how it's turning that whole thing yellow. It is just a good, flavorful taste. It is so good. So I'm just mixing this out. I'm gonna just, let it come together. And this is going to be my drizzle that goes over this bubble up, this apple bubble up. Okay, just take a look at it and you see about how the thickness that you want it. You don't want it thick, you want it very thin. Unless you want yours thick, now you can do that. I'm gonna get it right into this preheated 350-degree oven. I'm gonna let it bake for about 35 to 45 minutes. And now mine baked 40 minutes. It's straight out the oven, honey. What do you see? Do you see all that bubbling butter and all that good spice and everything bubbling through there? This is looking good. Oh my God, but it smells better. Now I have this drizzle, this icing that I made. Mine is still hot, very, very warm. I'm gonna go on and put it on there anyway because I don't have a lot of time. And I got these people standing around be looking at me like, okay, let me have a little taste of that. My goodness. But anyway, let me just go ahead. This is still kind of warm. You can let yours get completely cool, or you can put it on warm. Doesn't change the flavor at all, honey. Look at there. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna just kind of get some of this out and just let you kind of see what you're working with and what it looks like once you take it up. And see if this is something that you would like to serve your family or your guest. Okay, you see that brown sugar, how it made that sort of syrup in there, and then that icing on the top. I'm just, Now, if you could smell this, we wouldn't have to say another word, baby. You would know when I say Skillet apple pie bubble up, you'd be like, oh yeah, where's my bowl? Oh yeah, give it to me. But I'm gonna have to show you a little bit. I'm gonna look at that. Look at that, honey. Ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit more up, and then I am probably gonna taste it for you. This pan is still so hot. Okay, look at that. Now, how easy could that be? It took you about 5 minutes to get it into the pan and about 40 minutes to bake. Oh, let's taste it and see what we got. Look at that caramel-like sauce on there. Oh, so good. So good. A little bit more of that apple. Nobody would ever know this is biscuits. It's just so good. It's like a wonderful pie crust. Oh, this make you want to go to church, honey. Yes, that's good. Gives it a big 100, honey. This is nothing else but good. Make you want to go to church. Make you call on the Lord, honey. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, y'all gotta do this. Simple, easy, no reason why not to do it. And it's very inexpensive. So yeah, you want to do that. This time of inflation, it'll give you a good dessert for very little money. Okay, guys. Do it. Let me know how you like it. I want to thank you guys for coming by to see me. You're checking on me today. You want to know how I was doing, but you also want to know what I was doing. And now you knew that I would be throwing down. And I hope that I did not disappoint. Guys, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to just thank you. And if you haven't yet subscribed, then please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell until you see parentheses around it. That way you know that you will be notified every time that I put up a new video. Yeah. And I want you to give me a big thumbs up. That will help me move right along in the search engine. It'll help me to grow my channel. Please thumbs up this video. Also subscribe. Leave me some comments because I read each and every one. I love reading them. I can't answer every one, but I read every one of them. Share my videos wherever you're active on social media. I am on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and of course, YouTube. Guys, I appreciate you. Look, do something. Love yourself. That way you'll be better equipped to love somebody else. Take care of your mental health and love somebody else. How can I love? Where do I start at? Well, love somebody by sharing your food. Yeah. Share your food, share your love. Share your love by sharing your food. Thanks, guys, for coming by. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.